In this script, we are using word2vec to generate word embeddings. We train our word2vec model on the text8 dataset, and this helps us to understand how words like the mentioned words are like king, queen, man, woman, apple. So we'll be able to get correct numeric form for these words. That's the static embeddings which we are doing for the word2vec, and we are going to set the vector size as 100. So whatever embedding we get for each word, the size will be 100. And so firstly, I want to show how the word looks. For example, embedding for the king is this one. So when you go on this, it will be around exactly 100. And next thing is that we want to check whether the semantic relation is preserved or not. I mean, king and queen has to be a bit similar when we see the words in terms of royalty or something like that. But is it the same when we transform it to numbers? Does that similarity is preserved? So to check that, we have plotted the embeddings. Since this is 100-dimensional vector, we can't plot it on a 2D platform. So what we do is we'll be reducing a number of features by PCA, and now after getting the PCA done, we'll be having only two features, and this is where we see the plot where the king and queen are similar and man and woman are similar. So this is how static embeddings behave. But we encounter a problem with the static embeddings, like where uh, a particular word, when it is used in a different context, that embedding is not changed. I mean, the embeddings are static with respect to word to vec. So we'll have to get that embedding dynamically done. But to check that, first of all, we plot a bank, the word bank, which is used in two different sentences, and I want to check the bank embedding. So for the same word to vec, we'll be using word to vec, and we'll check for the word bank. Word, yeah, word bank. So on checking this, we observe that the embedding of the bank, when it is treated as river, or when it is financial, it is the same. So this is the primary issue with static embedding. So the embedding had to be dynamic. I mean, the embedding of a particular word has to change when it is spoke, or when it is talked about in a different perspective. So that's where self attention has come. And what happens in self attention is that the embedding gets dynamically adjusted. I mean, for example, these are the sample sentences where I went to the bank to withdraw money. The river bank was covered with the grass. So the bank is plotted in the embedding of bank is different in both the cases. That we can visualize here. So the bank here, it is from the first sentence, and the bank here it is the second sentence. So that's how the self attention helps to change the embedding dynamically, so as to keep the word attached to its context.